What's up, YouTube? This is Neil here, Dream of the Day. So today I want to talk about amino acids as a whole, all the amino acids. Now, I wrote a blog post on my blog, www.dreameroftheday.weebly.com. The link to my blog is in the description below. I wrote a post specifically about the branched chain amino acids, which I'll discuss a little bit in this video. The point of this video is to elaborate on that blog post and to speak about all your amino acids, not just the branched chain amino acids. So you have 9 essential amino acids listed over here, and you have 11 non-essential amino acids, which are listed over here. Okay, so your 9 essential amino acids are those that are essential to your diet, okay, because the human body does not produce enough of them on its own, and your 11 non-essential amino acids are correspondingly the same, the 11 that are not essential to your diet because your body is able to produce adequate amounts of them. So without further ado, I want to get first into your 9 essential amino acids. Your 9 essential amino acids are threonine, histidine, tryptophan, isoleucine, valine, leucine, lysine, methionine, and phenylalanine. I just want to talk about a couple of them. I'm not going to talk about the 3 branched chain amino acids, which are isoleucine, leucine, and valine. Okay, I'm going to mention one thing. They are used for building muscle. Leucine is the most important one of the 3. But if you want more information on those particular 3, which are super important, and you can buy an amino acid supplement from my store, which is in the description below, www.brainandbodysupplementation.com. Once again, www.brainandbodysupplementation.com, which is in the description below. If you want information about those 3, you can go to my blog post. I'm also not going to talk about threonine and histidine. You can definitely do a Google search and find a little bit of information on those 2. But I want to talk about tryptophan, which is very important in the synthesis of serotonin. Serotonin makes you happy. Serotonin prevents you from getting migraines. Serotonin will help you go to sleep. Definitely having a diet that is sufficient in L-tryptophan is crucial. Okay, I also want to talk about phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is very important in the production of dopamine. It's also very important for the central nervous system, helps with learning and memory. So phenylalanine is important, tryptophan is important. Also want to talk about the function of lysine. It's a component of muscle protein, and it's also very important in the synthesis of enzymes and hormones. And then the last essential amino acid that I want to talk about is methionine. It's a powerful antioxidant. It's also very good for your skin, and it's anti-catabolic, means it helps in preventing the breakdown of muscle tissue, and it also helps with the metabolism of fat. So those are your 9 essential amino acids. I touched on a few, very important. Once again, the essential amino acids are those that are essential to have in your diet because the human body does not produce adequate amounts of them on its own. Now we're going to get into your 11 non-essential amino acids. So listed, they are alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glycine, glutamine, glutamate, serine, proline, and tyrosine. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about the function of some of these, not all of them. So alanine is very important in glucose production, and so correspondingly in reduction or in prevention of hypoglycemia. So really alanine is very important for blood sugar regulation. Arginine, now a lot of athletes take arginine. Arginine is a powerful vasodilator. It's also responsible for the detoxification of your kidneys to a certain extent. Glutamate and glutamine, they're also used very often in sports nutrition. They're both also very crucial in the synthesis of protein. Both are involved in protein synthesis, which helps with the rebuilding of muscle tissue. So proline, that is responsible for the production of collagen. Collagen is a soft tissue that holds bones together and prevents friction. So it kind of serves as like a shock absorber. Serine is the next amino acid I want to talk about. That is responsible for the production of L-tryptophan, which I talked about earlier. If you remember, tryptophan was responsible for the synthesis of the brain chemical, the neurotransmitter serotonin, which once again is very important in mood regulation, in sleep, in preventing migraines. And the last non-essential amino acid I want to talk about is tryptophan. Tryptophan is responsible for the production of the neurotransmitters dopamine, norepinephrine, and noradrenaline. And you can actually find a form of L-tyrosine and acetyl L-tyrosine in some of my pre-workouts, which are also in my store, brain and body supplementation. Dopamine, norepinephrine, and noradrenaline are responsible for feeling energy, feeling motivation, feeling in a good mood. So there you have it. There are all the non-essential and essential amino acids. Thank you for watching my video. Go check out my store. Go check out my blog. The links to them are below in my description. How you doing?